Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Karen. Somebody's got a big problem. Somebody has a shopping problem. Take a look at this. Yes, I went to Walmart. Yes, I bought more yarn. Stay tuned to another unbagging. Hi, I'm glad you came back to see the great big haul that I did. My husband took me out to go shopping for my birthday, and so I went a little crazy, but he did say it was going to be a yarn haul, spectacular shopping spree. So here it is. Of course I had to hit Michael's, and I went in there and I picked up a couple of things only. The first thing I picked up was one of these amigurumi little discs. I don't know what else you call them, but it's a disc. And I don't do amigurumi. I have never done amigurumi. I wish I could do it. I want to do it. And maybe down the road I will. But I just loved these colors. And I had to get it. It talked to me. It said, grab me, I'm yours, take me home, make something with me, look at me, I'm pretty. So I got it. And then of course, his little buddies, they were sitting right next to him. Now look at these guys. Aren't they pretty? And you know what? I have to say, I blame Kim's Crochet and Knits, because she showed these on her channel. I think actually the same colors, and I just fell in love with them. The colors are gorgeous. They're all sparkly and so pretty, and they were on sale. They were $3.50 each, but now I heard that they're on sale for $2.50 each. So I may have to go back and buy a couple more friends for them. The colorway on these, trusty magnifying glass, are Revenge, this one, and Titanium. So pretty. And I think with these, I'm going to put the two together, and I'm going to make a shawl from Expressions Fiber Arts. Shandy, she has this she has so many beautiful shawls. The list is endless, but there's this one that I think these two will just be gorgeous for, and I can't wait to start that. Then off to Walmart. Now, I don't have anything in mind for these. I just seen them, which I don't always see this color when I'm there. So I seen them. My husband was buying. So I shopped. I have some Bernat Premium, which I love Bernat Premium. As Debbie from the Canadian Crocheter says, it's the workhorse of yarns, which is so true. But it's soft, and you can do so much with it. So there's this tan color and a brown. I can't see if it's... Yeah, that's about it, I guess. And I don't always see these colors, so I grabbed 3 of each. And then a red, as if I needed, but you know, they had it. It was there. I am making a big pillow. Oh my goodness, I'm making everything. I'm making this great big pillow. It's huge, and it is fully red on one side, and the other side has red, and it has black eyelash mixed in with it. So I needed more red, but I also need to get some more black eyelash. So this is Bernat Premium Red. I only got 1 of those. And I got 2 of these because, again, I seen Kim's from Kim's Crochet and Knits, and she got the Bernat Premium in the white sparkle. Oh my goodness. Can you see the bit of sparkle? I don't know. I think it's coming off. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, she bought hers to color, to dye, and I've been thinking about kind of dabbling it because I'm seeing a lot of other people doing it, though it does scare me. But I forgot to pick up the dye when I was at Michael's and at Walmart. And when I happened to go into the Dollar Tree for these guys, I seen that they had the powder dye, a red and a black. Or this is Dollarama, actually. In Canada, we have Dollar Tree and we have Dollarama, which is similar to Dollar Tree. And these were $1.25 each. And I figured, you know what, I could either do a solid black or red or mix the two together and see what I come out with. And then down the road get some other, because I would really like to get the liquid dye instead of using the powder. But you know what? We used to use the powder back in the day when I used to dye my own jeans and that. So I'll give it a whirl and see what happens. It really wasn't an expensive thing to, I'll do one skein at a time, and if I ruin it, oh well. So, and then I seen this. They only had one. And I just had to bring them home. It is the Bernat Blanket Extra. So it's way larger than the normal brunette, and it's in this taupe color, and I just thought it was so nice, and it's so soft and so squishy. So I don't know what I'll do with it. Maybe I'll look for another one down the road, but he was the only one on the shelf. I felt sorry for him. I thought, you have to come home with me because you poor little guy, you can't stay there. Then get a load of this pretty stuff. This is Lion Brand Landscapes. Yeah, Landscapes. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those colors. Hey, kind of matches my top. But isn't that just to die for? Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. Oh, look at all those colors mixed in. It's just so, so pretty. I got two of them. I don't know what I'm going to make. I might make a shawl. They do have patterns in that, but I have a lot of shawl patterns that I have stashed away in my files, so this might be a shawl. I'm not too sure yet. The colorway on this one is Desert Spring. Oh, that does look like Desert Spring, doesn't it? And this is, it is a, hey, where does it say it? You know what? I see it at medium 4. And it takes, oh, I can't read that. A 6.5 millimeter hook and a 6 millimeter set of needles. There's 147 yards in here, and it's a 100-gram ball. And it's machine washable. Isn't that great? So I just fell in love with that. I had to get it. And since the husband was buying, why not, eh? Then I happened to get, when we hit the Walmart didn't have a lot of sales going on, but I dug and dug and dug because I heard Crystal from Crystal's Crochet and Stuff, sorry, and she said that her Walmart had some $2 skeins and $3 skeins and all that. So I went looking for those, and I couldn't find a lot of them. They barely had anything. All the $2 ones were gone, of course, but I dug through every little area in there. I dug on the end caps. I just dug, and I came across the Bernat pot, and this one was $1. They only had one, but you know what? You can make a little shawl with this or anything, or pair it up with something else, one of the solid colors that I have, anything. So I thought, $1, you can't go wrong with that. And the colorway on this one is Rudolph Red. It's a medium 4, a 5 millimeter hook. And of course this is machine washable and dryer too, which I like. And I know these ones aren't the softest in the world, but they're okay for like scarves, hats, shawls. And you know, I'm not so crazy over the red inside, but I'll just color control and use the browns, the beige, the white, the cream, and the brown, and then use the red for something else, but use these all colors for something. So I got that for $1. And then they had quite a few of these, but I only grabbed 2 of them. And it's a Bernat Pop again, but it's the Christmas colors. So I got 2 of those. And they match really well. And so you've got the white and the green and the red. And it kind of like a burgundy-ish sort of color in there. Right now this is looking kind of orange, but it's red. And the colorway on this one is mistletoe. So I figured, you know, get a head start, make some kind of a Christmas ornament thing out of this. I don't know, maybe make a stocking or 2. I can make them for the animals, because I only have 1 stocking, and my daughter has a cat and a dog, and I can make stockings for them out of that. Because, you know what, I don't have enough whips going on right now. And then I got 2 of these, and these Bernat Pops were on for $3.50 though, whereas those other ones were $1 each. But they only had 2 of these, so again, I grabbed them. And I thought they were very pretty. Lots of, I don't normally go for yellows and oranges and that, but I thought this one was really pretty with all the different colors. Very bright, summery. It could be fall. You can add some other colors to it and make it a fall. And so this colorway is Scarlet Sizzle. And it's the same thing, 5mm, medium 4. And it's 140 gram ball and 280 yards. So you actually get quite a bit in each one. So I thought those were great. Fill up my shelves. And then I got this. Oh my gosh. This is the Bernat Crushed Velvet. I see everybody hauling these. Well, I finally got some. And it's in my colors. I love the browns and the you know, just the earthy kind of colors, but I love brown and black. Black's my favorite color, though some people say it's a shade. And the creams and all that. So see? Isn't that nice? And it's so soft. I don't know what I'm going to make with this, but I'll make something. And the colorway on this is taupe. That's it, just taupe. It's a bulky 5, and it is a 5.5mm hook, a 5mm knitting needles, and it's 100% polyester, 300 grams, 315 yards. Just gorgeous, and so soft. And then the final ones, and I got to speed this up because I'm taking forever. You know, I'm a yapper. I can't help it. Sorry. But this is Red Heart. The first time I've ever had these. It's called It's a Wrap, and here it says $10.97, but I got them for $5 each. So I got 2. They only had 2, and I grabbed the 2. There's the color. So it's really pretty. It's like an orange, then it goes to pink, and then to purple. I don't think there's another color inside. Nope. And the colorway on this one is Drama. And this one is a super fine one and a 3.25mm hook. I've never worked with yarn that small, but I'm game. I will. I can use this for a lot of different things. So, and it's really soft, actually. You know, I like it. I'll probably do a shawl, some kind of wrap with it. And there's patterns on here. There's 1,100 yards in here. It's a 200 gram ball. It's 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. So I'm really looking forward to working with this. It's very, very pretty. And that's everything. That's my whole haul that I did. I did some damage, But, you know, my husband said he was going to take me for my birthday. He took me out for breakfast first, and then we went shopping, and I bought all these goodies. So thank you for joining me. And if you have any suggestions at all on any projects that I can do that uses any of these yarns, and if you know of any other sales going on, let me know down below. And look forward to seeing you again. I will be having another haul coming up shortly. So come on back, and I'll see you again. Hit the subscribe button. Please press a like, please subscribe, and join me. And I look forward to seeing you all again. Okay, you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.